Good morning, everybody. Here we are, back on Van's 62 Bird. Going to do a cold start, because it sat out here all night in the cold. Well, for here, you know, it never really gets cold here. But it's cold enough to do choke stuff. So I'm going to get in, give it 3 pumps, and hit the key and see what happens. Hopefully, it is a 3-pump chump. Because I know Scotty is. And he's going to get mad when he hears this video later. Alright, so there's your carbonator. Gotta get the right key, because there's 14 keys to this thing, I swear. None of them. Okay, there. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. And yeah, baby. This thing has never started that good. So now I'm gonna let her get up to temp, and then we're gonna do the timing. Gonna run a minute, and now let's throttle. Let's let her get up to temp the rest of the way. Hey, Scotty. So I'm getting ready to time this, right? And it's running beautifully now.
Good.
I fixed a little coolant leak that was here. This just needed to be tightened down a little bit.
Okay, not a problem.
We also want to do, because it has red grounds, you and I have talked about it before.
Yeah.
We want to order new cables and cap wire plug rotor, right?
Yep, I agree, because I think it's a little overdue.
So, I just noticed this when I was wiping the timing tab.
Okay.
Take a close look at the fan. Do you see what I see?
What's the writing?
No, not the writing. Look at the fan.
3.
No, look at the fan. Look at the blades.
Are they bent?
No, it's even worse. It's fucking on backwards with no spacer. It's supposed to have a spacer on it.
Oh my God.
Wow. I don't know how we've never noticed this, but maybe it's because we were focused because the carb was so bad.
Right.
And it never really got hot, so I don't think it really mattered too much.
So somebody put this on
backwards with no spacer because, oh, look, it fits that way. But if you don't have the spacer...
And I bet you this thing runs hot.
Wouldn't know. We never really drove it that far yet. But...
Oh, my God.
So, Van, I'm going to finish your timing and all that today. And then we're going to have you... We're going to order you a fan spacer, obviously. And plug wires, plugs, cap rotor. Coil's good. Battery cables. You might want to talk about a battery too. What's the date on this? Is there a manufacturer date anywhere? Oh yeah, 2 of 16. Yeah, we're gonna.
Oh yeah,
we're gonna need to get you a battery too, because this is gonna leave you at some point. I'm surprised when we went over and picked the car up a couple months ago.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm surprised it started up by just disconnecting the cable.
Yeah, so, ding, done.
So that's just the little things we need to do, and we'll get it running. Then we can test drive her better, and then we can. Serve you better.
And we're going to fix where the hood is rubbing.
Yes. I have
actually,
video
we're going to do that in just a minute. So
let me finish up what I'm doing. And then can you bring me all the air cleaner stuff? I'd like to put it on and be done.
Yeah, of course. Not a problem.
Once I get this baby timed. All right. So I'm going to fire it back up. I'm going to verify our timing, and we're going to go from there. All right. So we're up and rolling. The FDs, I like to set base timing right at 12 degrees for a stop. On the old money, 12 degrees. I also noticed, because when Bertie put this together, he went back to the pictures that I had before.
Right.
But when it had the vacuum, like it was on full vacuum for advanced instead of ported.
Right.
So that's why it was called surge.
Oh, wow.
So I switched those around. Now we're dead Dutch 12 at idle. I'm curious. Is that actually pulling air? Put your hand where
I feel air coming up.
But it feels like it's blowing air out the front. We should do the.
It is.
We should do the teepee trick. The teepee trick for your bunghole. Hers like a kitty. I got her timed to 12 degrees. I hooked up the vacuum advance to ordered instead of the direct. Holy shit. Listen to that baby purr. It runs so much better. Alright, we're gonna go for a little test drive here. We have fresh carb and not crappy ignition. Ooh, this is nice. This is real nice. Alright, go up to here. Roll by Chuck, see if he's around, see if he's home. I know he was under the weather the other day, but you know, check in on our homie. Lights are on, but it looks like nobody's home. Maybe he's working but doesn't feel good, so he doesn't want to get anybody sick, which is fine. Test drive. This thing runs so good. So good. So just puttering around. Oh, Speedo's doing the. What do you see? Oh, that brake pedal squeak is annoying too. Alright. But overall, drivability is nice. Nice. Yeah, definitely gonna have to address that speed. It's nice that I can actually drive the car so we can diagnose the rest of the stuff. It was rather horrendous prior. Man, does she drive nice now. Ooh, that speedo cable's annoying. Nice blinker, dude. Got some giddy up. Got some giddy up. Pretty damn happy with it. Alright, Van, one more thing really quick. What's the production date on your tires? 49 of 14. That's the 49th week. 2014, so that would be November of 14. These babies need to go bye-bye. That's 9+ years old. Definitely need to get you a quote on some tires, because that is not safe. Not safe. And also, do you hear that faint piddly noise? I'm gonna play Find That Noise. This car's been off a little bit.